Welcome to my studio, everyone. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you already know who I am, so I'm going to skip the introductions and tell you all about my YouTube membership program. As you also probably know, my channel features a lot of drawing instruction, art material reviews, and tutorials on various art materials and techniques. While many of these videos offer detailed information, they have to compete for viewership, and as such have to be short, fast-paced, and because I have to pack in a lot of information, tightly scripted. And since they have to appeal to YouTube's algorithm, the topics have to be general enough to attract a wide audience. While I love making fun, appealing videos and growing my channel, the responsible university professor in me felt like I was neglecting my calling, that what I should be doing is making serious instructional videos for serious students. The membership program allows me to do exactly that. For a small monthly fee, members get access to detailed, nuanced, long-form instruction that is designed to teach you crucial skills at a pace that lets you actually absorb the information. These tutorials cover the basics of rendering in pen and ink, drawing with pen and watercolor, various mixed media techniques, lectures on composition and color mixing, in short, things that art students at any level will find valuable. Also on offer are demonstrations of effective exercises that I have used in my college classrooms for over 2 decades. Since I started the membership program in the spring of last year, I've created a library of 26 tutorials and will continue uploading 2 new classes every single month. And I have to say, it's been really gratifying to provide serious instruction to a small, dedicated audience without having to worry about how well the video is performing in the first few minutes of its publication. So, thank you for watching this promo. Feel free to ask me questions about it in the comments section, and see you back in my studio very soon. Bye for now.